WaterGuard is an effective and reliable way to solve wet basement problems permanently. WaterGuard is a piping system engineered specifically to solve basement water problems without worry of clogging from soils under the floor. The WaterGuard system intercepts water at the perimeter of a basement and drains water safely away. WaterGuard is 4 1/4 inches tall, 3 1/8 inches wide, and 7 foot 6 inches long, and is installed below the surface of the basement floor and on top of the footing, keeping the drainage pipe out of the mud zone. WaterGuard also channels water seepage from the foundation walls, the footing wall joint, and block wall cavities, and drains this water to the low spot where a sump system is installed. The integrated wall flange on the WaterGuard system allows for wall systems to be installed to drain wall seepage down into the perimeter drainage. WaterGuard is used to control water in wet basement situations with less disruption and disturbance to the basement floor, footing, and subsoil. WaterGuard is exclusive to the Basement Systems network and gives a competitive advantage over alternative waterproofing methods. WaterGuard allows customers to reclaim their basement as dry, usable, and healthy space that can now be used for storage, recreational purposes, or can be finished for additional living space. Over 20 million feet of WaterGuard has been installed across North America and counting.